Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to track camera in After Effects. Firstly, open After Effects and create a new project. Import the footage you want to track by navigating to File, Import, then File. Drag your footage into the timeline. With your footage layer selected, go to the window menu at the top of After Effects and scroll down, then select Tracker to open the Tracker panel. In the Tracker panel, you'll see 4 tracking options: Track Camera, Wrap Stabilizer, Track Motion or Stabilize Motion. Click on Track Camera. This will apply the 3D tracker effect to the selected layer. After selecting Track Camera, After Effects will begin analyzing your footage automatically. As the software analyzes the clip, you'll see percentage indicating how much of the clip has been tracked. Little color dots will appear across the footage. These are tracking points that represent the areas After Effects is analyzing for 3D motion. All you have to do is apply, export, and refine the tracking. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.